Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is about getting rid of the scary alerts that come from the site Hoffoh.online. Hoffoh.online is the website that attempts to trick people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. These pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive. You see, they claim to be related to some decent security software, but there is no relation of these pop-ups to these decent security programs. No, such pop-ups may be the result and the trace of some adware currently enabled in your system. So if you see these alerts on your screen, don't ever interact with them. The purpose of these fake alerts is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. These pop-ups tell you that your PC is infected with 5 viruses, and no matter what computer gets attacked, the number of these viruses is absolutely the same. It says it is infected with 5 viruses, not 4, not 6, but 5 viruses each time in any world locations. So all these pop-ups are totally faulty, deceptive, and misleading. Don't interact with them and do not install anything that they suggest. We recommend you to carefully research your computer. First of all, check the control panel, uninstall any suspicious programs if you find them. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I strongly advise scanning with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get its fresh version is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software, and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.